This is my full day of eating on a lean bulk to pack on muscle and minimize fat. To start off the morning, I have some fish oil and calcium gummies. Wash that down with some water. As a breakfast and a pre-workout, I do this protein oatmeal bowl with blueberries, alongside with some frosted mini wheats. I swear these blueberry muffin mini wheats are so good. Maybe better than cinnamon toast crunch, but who knows. Afterwards, I then go to the gym. Today was push day, had a great workout. Then I go home and I get some creatine in, some sugar-free Skittle mixed, and some no salt potassium. Electrolytes after workout are very important. Loki looks radioactive, but it's worth it. Then for lunch, I do some eggs, chicken breast, kimchi, and sweet potato with some BBQ sauce that's sugar-free and a salad. Afterwards, I have a snack with some oranges and then this pure protein bar. Tasted pretty great, not the best though. Then finally for dinner, I have this BBQ pork belly sandwich with some watermelon, and that's my full day of eating.